Imagine turning simple text into a stunning professional logo in just a few clicks. Welcome to Logoai.ai, where logo creation becomes effortless. Start by entering the main symbol or icon that represents your brand. Next, type in the name or keywords you want to feature on your logo. Choose your preferred style, and then select the industry that best reflects your business. In just seconds, you will have a selection of expertly crafted logos to choose from. But what if you want to make it truly yours? Click on your favorite design to enter the editing phase. Here's where the magic happens. Use the magic erase feature to remove any unwanted elements. Finalize it by clicking transparent PNG to give your logo a clean, professional finish. Now your brand new logo is ready to download and use across all your platforms, from websites to business cards. With Logoai.ai, elevate your brand in minutes. Start creating with Logoai.ai today. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.